Hi guys, so today I'm adding hibiscus plant to my backyard, and in this video I'm sharing 2 weeks of journey of the plant and the updates, how it grew and how much I watered. So do watch this video till end so you know how the plant is doing and what all I did to grow the plant really nicely. So we are going to water it like 2 times a day, like one in the morning, one in the evening, and we'll be like watering 2 times a day. So we have made the schedule of watering every day in the morning and in the evening because it's really hot outside. So this is what we are doing for watering. Here's the 2 week update for the plant, and in the week 2 we are adding like indoor potting mix and outdoor potting mix all together. So we are adding like one big bag of soil, so we are adding like good quality of a soil. So when we added this plant to a garden, we added like one big bag of a soil, and that was an outdoor soil. This time we are adding indoor soil as well, and it is growing really nicely. I guess the most important thing while you are adding this plant in your garden is keep watering, like watering it 2 times a day, and you can water 1 time a day as well, but depending on the temperature outside. Like in my state it is really hot, so I just try to water it like 2 times a day, and it is blooming really nicely. And in the week 2 we added like more soil to it, and it is doing really good. It is blooming really nicely, and this was all we did for the plant, like taking good care of it and making sure that the soil is not way too dry, and it is growing really nicely. So hope you guys like the video. And one more thing I wanted to add is that make sure while when you are adding this plant in your garden, give the plant space, because this plant will grow really big, so the plant needs really good space. So do not add this plant next to the other plants, because this plant needs space because it can grow really big. So hope you guys like the video. So here I'm fixing the crack on the pot, and actually there's a crack, and I was thinking that I would just patch it through the patcher, the patcher which comes in the store for fixing the hole in the wall. I would have just patched it with that, but I was not having any patcher, so I thought I'll just try to experiment it with the paint. So here's a little paint, and I'll be just taking this color and I'll be just painting it on the top of it, and I'll be adding thick coating of it on the crack, and I'll be adding some concrete mix. And I totally forgot to wear the gloves, so please make sure you wear the gloves. It is very important, and I'm really sorry that I really forgot about it. So here I'm adding the paint, and I'm just gonna be painting it all over, and adding some concrete mix, so it will add some texture to it. The pot is really dried up now and it is looking nice, and the concrete which I added, it is also showing up. The texture is over there, and I'm adding some spray paint. This is shade metallic and it is ready to reuse. The crack is all gone, and I'm gonna be adding peace lily, and it is looking good, it is looking nice. I'm only gonna be adding one shade like metallic, and I'm just gonna be like adding one layer, that's it, and the pot is ready to reuse. So do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Bye guys.